like the fact that the stool is made out of real hard wood. They're solid, they don't wobble. The material is reinforced stitching along the edges and the construction. It feels pretty sturdy. And the swivel is really smooth. And it has a really comfortable foam padding seat. So that way, whenever you're sitting down at the dinner table or at the bar countertop, it's very comfortable and your butt doesn't get sore. Another thing I like is that when you slide them across the floor, you don't have to worry about your floor getting damaged. Here, I'd like to show you how to store these stools in 3 different ways. You could actually store it by stacking it like this. It's one way. Second way, to actually stack it like this. Third way is to stack another one like this, so you can save space in your closet or your storage unit. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.